Did you know you can play video and audio directly in HTML without using any external libraries? In this video, we're going to learn how to add multimedia in HTML step by step. If you're serious about learning web development, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Let's get started. First, let's understand what multimedia means. Multimedia in HTML refers to adding media like videos and audio into your web pages. This makes your website more interactive and engaging. Now let's start with video. To add a video, we use the video tag. Here's the syntax. Video controls width equals 300 source, src equals video.mp4, type equals video mp4 video file. The video tag is used to display video controls, adds play, pause, and volume option. Source defines the video file. Now let's run this. You can see a video player appears. You can play, pause, and control it easily.
Welcome to Tekken 60 Academy.
Move to audio. To add audio, we use the audio tag. Here's the syntax. Audio control source, src equals audio.mp. 3 type equals audio mpeg. Audio file controls gives you play and pause. Source defines the audio file. Now run this. You will see an audio player. You can play the sound easily.
Welcome to Tekken 60 Academy.
Now let's look at some important tips. Always check your file path. Keep files in the same folder. Checkmark. Use supported formats like MP4 and MP3. Now let's combine both video controls. Width is 300 source, src equals video.mp. 4 audio controls source, src equals audio.mp3. Now your page can play both video and audio. This is how real websites use multimedia. If this is helping you, don't forget to like. So that's how you can add multimedia in HTML. It's simple, powerful, and very useful for real-world projects. If you found this helpful, like, share, subscribe. Let's grow together and become better developers. I'll see you in the next video.